So here's the problem here when I turn. And you can hear this voice already. And I try to change all the loosen them and also screw them more. These three so I try to play with all 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. It doesn't change anything. It always makes this voice, especially when I put pressure even more. That's the problem, and I don't know how to fix it. And I took it to bicycle repair shops, and they didn't want to touch it because they said it would take many hours to disassemble and assemble. So they don't know the mechanism, so they don't know what to do.